Donald Trump has a new sponsor now that his tax returns have been turned over to Congress, and it's Depends Undergarments. This is Matt Robison on Blue Amp, and as of right now, the House Ways and Means Committee has 6 years of Donald Trump's federal tax returns after the Supreme Court, including his hand-picked lackeys Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett, slapped Donald Trump in the face and told him they were done with his BS about hiding the tax returns. And by the way, he had a delicious meltdown about that online. He posted on Truth Social that the Supreme Court always rules against him, and that by ruling against him this time, they've lost their honor and prestige and standing, and that the court has become nothing more than a political party with our country paying the price. Well, I agree with that last part. So why is Trump about to star in his very own ad for Oops, I Crapped My Pants? Besides the fact that he seems well-versed in the subject. Because Trump is already in an astounding pile of legal trouble, fraud, election interference, defamation. The Manhattan District Attorney already got Alan Weisselberg, the former Trump Organization chief financial officer, to plead guilty to multiple tax fraud charges over the Trump Organization's business dealings. And the New York State Attorney General has sued Donald and 3 of his children, accusing them of lying to lenders and insurers by fraudulently overvaluing his assets, not to mention the special prosecutor in the Mar-a-Lago case and the possibility that once again, Trump sold us out to a foreign government. These new tax returns add to his legal problems in 2 ways, according to Carol C. Lamb, who was a U.S. attorney for the Southern District of California and a federal prosecutor for 18 years and is now an MSNBC legal analyst. First, Congress now has returns for Donald Trump's entire presidency, new information, meaning that they'll be able to look at whether Trump or his companies broke federal law by receiving gifts or payments or things of value from representatives of foreign governments. That's the so-called emoluments clause. And what are the odds that that happened? And second, there are ways for Democrats in Congress to make this information publicly available, ultimately, and prove conclusively what we already know, like the fact that Donald Trump paid no federal income taxes in 10 of 15 years before becoming elected president, according to the New York Times, or that he committed even more fraud about the value of his assets, or that he just straight up lied to the American people about how rich he was. Believe it or not, that last one is probably what scares him most of all. When Comedy Central did a roast of Donald Trump back in 2011, he said it was okay to joke about his hair. Okay to joke about his wife, his divorces, his business failures, his casino failures, his weight, even being attracted to Ivanka. The one thing they wouldn't allow was any joke suggesting that he was not actually as wealthy as he claims to be, because what he fears most is being exposed as the giant fraud that he is. And there's a good chance that's about to happen.